At the heart of the Force Control Station is the map. The map has a variety of features that we'll step through right now. At the bottom right hand corner you'll find that there is a range indicator which shows how far 100 meters is in this instance on the map. As we zoom in and out, you'll see that this range indicator actually changes so that the operator has a visual representation of the distance that is represented by the map at any zoom level. Also in the bottom right you'll find that there's a lat long and altitude readout. This relates to the cursor position on the map. So when the cursor is on the map, you'll find that the latitude and longitude represent the location that it's hovering over, and the altitude represents the digital terrain elevation data that is present at that location. When the cursor is off the map, you'll see that the latitude and longitude ceases to read out and remains at the last latitude and longitude that the operator was at prior to leaving the map. In pan mode, the cursor icon remains as an arrow until the operator actually clicks and drags, in which case it changes to a clenched fist, showing that the operator has in fact grabbed the map and is now able to move the map in whichever direction they wish. In zoom mode, it changes to a magnifying glass to let the operator know that he is indeed in zoom mode. Zooming in is standard interface of click and drag to define the area that you wish to zoom in on. And you'll notice here that the range bar has altered to give the corresponding range for this new zoom factor. However, zooming out uses the outside border. The operator grabs this border, pulls it in, and in doing so defines where that border will lie in the new representation of the map, thereby zooming out and giving the operator an intuitive feel for how much is he zooming out. Is it a little bit? I'm just adding a little bit around the edges here, or is it a lot where I'm really zooming out a whole long ways and I'm actually coming out to a fairly large area map. The map also supports a variety of formats. There's GeoTIFF, JPEG, as well as CADRG, ADRG. DTED has already been mentioned. It supports both DTED 0, DTED 1, DTED 2, as well as digital elevation model. It also supports vector shape files, as well as other vector formats such as S57.